Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit truffles. First, gather your simple ingredients, such as 200 grams of your favorite biscuits and 100 milliliters of condensed milk. Next, crush the biscuits very finely, creating a perfect crumbly base. Then, mix these crushed biscuits with the condensed milk until a soft, pliable dough forms, ready for the next step. Now, let's shape our truffles. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into uniform balls, each about 1 inch in diameter. Aim for consistency and size for an appealing presentation. Once rolled, place these delightful spheres onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Finally, chill them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. This step is crucial for firming them up. With your truffles firm, it's time to add their delicious outer layer. You can roll them in classic cocoa powder, shredded coconut, or vibrant sprinkles for a fun look. For a more indulgent treat, dip each truffle into melted chocolate, ensuring full coverage. Don't forget to add decorative toppings like chopped nuts or edible glitter to make them truly special and visually appealing. Your homemade biscuit truffles are now ready to be enjoyed. Arrange them artfully on a serving platter to impress your guests. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness. These delightful treats are best enjoyed within 3 to 5 days, ensuring you savor every delicious bite. Happy indulging!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.